In front of me is Honor Magic 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner to access those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings, hit Themes, tap on one of those under Gallery or Yours, and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. But if you wish to customize it instead, you can go into Themes again, and this time instead of tapping on one of those, hit Customized. Then select Start, tap on Add Image, click on any photo from your gallery you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background, pinch it to scale, drag it to move, adjust background darkness, and hit Done at the top right corner. Then adjust key borders thanks to this switcher, and hit Save at the top right corner. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!